Mayor Albi Benitez nagsorry kay Ivana, sumusumpang wala silang relasyon. Humingi ng paumanhin si Bacolod City Mayor Albi Benitez sa kapamilya sexy actress na si Ivana Alawi pati na rin sa pamilya nito. Mariing pinabulaanan ng alkalde na may namamagitang something sa kanila ni Ivana at isang malaking fake news ang umano'y relasyon nila. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Facebook account, nagsalita nga si Mayor Albi tungkol sa kumalat na chika na spotted sila ni Ivana na magkasamang nagliliwaliw sa Japan. Bukod pa riyan, ang chika na marami raw nakakita sa dalawa na magkasama sa airport kamakailan. Meron ding kumakalat na balitang nakita rin sina Albi at Ivana na nagbakasyon sa Baguio City. Narito ang official statement ni Mayor Albi tungkol sa kanila ni Ivana Alawi. I am fully aware of the video footage that has been circulating which unfortunately does not accurately explain why I was in Tokyo. I went there on a business trip as stated in my official travel order. Speculations involving Miss Ivana Alawi are untrue and only serve to put malice into what was clearly a chance encounter. I apologize to Miss Alawi and her family who have been unfairly dragged into issues concerning my private life. There is no truth to any and all the rumors spreading and I am setting the record straight to avoid further hurt and damage to them. Maraming salamat po. Ang buong pahayag ng alkalde. Matatandaan, kaagad naman dumipensa si Ivana Alawi tungkol sa bumabatikos sa kanila ni Mayor Albi Benitez. Anya sa kanyang Facebook post, "There are posts and issues involving my name. I tried to stay quiet at dumedma na lang dahil sa paniniwala ko na hindi ako dapat magsalita, lalo kapag alam ko na wala akong ginagawang masama. But because of the false accusation and hurtful words that are being thrown to my mom and Mona, kinailangan ko nang linawin ang mga bagay. This will be the first and last time na magsasalita ako tungkol dito. Hindi po ako ang nasasabing girlfriend ni Mayor Albi Benitez. I met him when I had work in Bacolod. He was very accommodating and friendly. At hindi lang siya ang politikong nakilala ko at naging kaibigan. I am currently seeing someone who makes me happy. All I can say is that he is a respectable businessman and not a politician. Sana this helps clear my name and clarify all rumors. Maraming salamat." Buong pahayag ni Ivana Alawi. Narito naman ang samot-saring komento mula sa mga netizens. Well said, Mayor Albi Benitez. We honestly believe you. It's just a dirty tactic to make speculation. But the real thing is you have a wonderful family. Very clear. Thank you, Mayor Albi Benitez, clarifying the issue for the sake of all parties concerned.